Take a ride in the 2018 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, cruise control, hands-free link system, auto headlight on/off, trip computer, CD player, outside temperature gauge, remote keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.